So West Tennessee, or I should say East Tennessee, has some pretty big storms coming in this weekend. Unfortunately, we dug out all the ground next to our foundation. This is a picture of before the storm, and here's the weather we had coming in. It was calling for 12 to 18 inches of snow, and this is how we prepared. First, 2026, we're expecting a storm, I suppose, but we'll see what happens, and hopefully most of this water will not flow in here. There's Poppy out there getting ready for the snowstorm. Okay, it's the morning. It's 7:54 a.m. We've got a little bit of cooling, so we're gonna try out our pump. Running out that hose there. There's Poppy, and Chapel's gonna turn the pump on for us once we get in here. Over here. And we'll okay, give it a try. It's running. It's working.